Welcome to Destiny 22. Via login New York.
Sa cellphone pa talaga niya. Kaya mo na si tita mo. Tagdating. Picture.
1, 2, 3, go! Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa.
Abi, tingin. Tumingin ka, uy. Tumingin ka. Paano tingin?
Makakanapin si Uyan.
Muna ka pa sa buwan ni tita.
This is AirAsia Flight C2420 to Puerto Princesa. Kindly be seated according to the seat numbers shown on your boarding pass.
Sa mga mahal naming panauhin, maligayang pagdating sa AirAsia.
First time ni Abby sumakay ng airplane.
Ituloy ang mga sandal.
Okay.
Okay.
You want that one?
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay ka lang na umukay.
Yeah.
Puerto Princesa International Airport. Welcome to Puerto Princesa. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt signs above you have been switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartments, and please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Chuck Marin, First Officer John Sabado, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. For passengers traveling with infants and were given infant life vest,
Abi. Magpa-picture ka, huwag kang malikot. So finally, we are here in Puerto Princesa, guys.
Meron tayong ganito, snorkeling. Kunuha mo kuya, pakit.
So guys, andito na kami.
Saan? Puerto Princesa
Pupunta na kami
here.
sa...
Stay in Puerto Princesa.
So guys, pababa na kami ng ano.
Daming camera. Mga artista.
Hi, Dusty. Hello ka, hello.
Say hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
I'm here in the Puerto Princesa. Sabi mo, I'm here. In Palawan.
Sa likod kayo, matagtag.
We are going to check in now.
Tignan kami. Wala na kami sa aeroplano. Nandito na kami. Palawan. Wala pa.
Sa pet house. Walang ilaw. So, this is the bathroom.
Ano napatay yung ilaw dito?
Oo.
Kahit doon.
Living on the edge. Living on the edge. Dito kayo kayo marap. Yung wifi. Oh, come on.
Abi, dahil bibidyohan ka tayo, nakahiga ka dito.
Dito lang kayo.
1, 2.
Oh, andito na kami. Sa hotel na kami. Wala na kami sa aeroplano, guys.
Anong airplano? Bulol ka pa. Ben, look at me. Destiny. Look at me first.
No!
Ito na kami guys sa Go Hotels.